Now we are starting exercise 2E. Using elimination method, solve each of the following pair of simultaneous equations. So as the name indicates, elimination method, we have to eliminate something. What we are going to eliminate, we will study that later on. But first of all, what we have to do is, I have told you earlier that we have to name the equation A and equation B. Now there are two cases and we have to address those two cases accordingly. First case is this one, in which out of two variables, one variable should have same coefficient. Like this is the very simple case. In this case, both of the variable have the same coefficient. But this and another, we will study that again later on.
Here in this case, variable y in both the equation has same number of coefficient. Now we can take x variable, but we are considering y variable. Now in such cases, when variables of both the equation have same number of coefficient,
what are we going to do? Let's see. So it's very simple. We have to eliminate one variable. So as the name indicates, we have to eliminate one variable. So x plus y is equals to 16 and x minus y is equals to 0. Now we have to eliminate one variable. We have two variables in both the equation. Now we have to eliminate one variable. How are we going to eliminate one variable? Simple. If we are going to add these two equations, we can see that plus y and minus y will cancel. Now we can subtract the equations as well. We have two options, either to subtract them or add them. So we have to decide according to our equations. Here it's easy for us to add these two equations, and when we will add these equations, we can see easily plus y and minus y will cancel. So now we have got x plus x is 2x, and here 16 plus 0 is 16. Therefore x will be 8. Okay, now this we have got the value of x. Now we will put this value of x in any of the equation, whatever we find easy equation, either equation A or equation B. I think equation B is much easier, so I'm going to put x is equals to 8 in equation B. So that's 8 minus y is equals to 0, and this y minus 8, as in minus will cancel and y will be 8. So I have got 2 points, x and y, 8, 8. Now what are these points? Yes, we were studying this point and it was very hard for us to find out this kind of point, which is basically intersecting point, right? This is the point of intersection between our two lines, two straight lines. So see how easy it is for us to find out the intersection point with this method rather than the graphical method. Now question number 1G. This kind of question is more or less same, but the only difference, you will going to see what the difference is. So let's name it first 1 and let's name it number 2. I'm going to write the equation. We have to eliminate one variable, and we can see that there is one variable whose coefficient is same as that of another variable in equation 2. And what variable is that? Yes, it's a y variable. Now y variable has same coefficient, and we don't have to do further working, so we can eliminate y variable. But how can I eliminate y variable? Because the sign with the y variable is minus and minus, so we cannot add these two equations. What we are going to do is, we are going to subtract So subtracting 1 and 2, because when we will subtract, our sign will change in another equation. So subtracting equation 1 and 2. So here it was plus sign, now it's negative. Here it was negative sign, now it's plus. And here it was positive sign, now it's negative. So positive, negative will cancel, and now our y variable, we have eliminated the y variable. Now 7 minus 11 is 4x is equals to minus 6. X is going to be, let's divide it with some further simplify. Okay, the minus cancel. X is going to be 3 upon 2. Now I am going to put this value 3 upon 2. X is equals to 3 upon 2 in equation, I think 1. Yeah, in equation 1. (21 upon 2 minus 3y is equals to 15). I will keep all the variable on one side. Y variable on one side of it is equal to, and numbers on the other side. So minus 3y is equals to 15 minus 21 upon 2. Okay, now taking LCM. 30 minus 21 upon 2 minus 3y it's going to be 30 minus 21 is 9 upon 2 minus 3y, and 3 ones are 3 is a 9. Then y is equals to, again, minus 3 upon 2. So our required point of intersection will be 3 upon 2. You can convert it into mixed fraction as well if you want. I am writing it like this. data.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates.